9 messes you should never clean with a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaners are household heroes. They swallow dust, crumbs, pet hair, and things we don't even want to think about. But here's the truth. As powerful as they are, vacuums are not indestructible. In fact, using them on the wrong mess can destroy your machine, spread the mess even more, or put your safety at risk. Before you plug in and start cleaning, here are 9 things you should never vacuum. Number 1. Broken glass. It feels logical to just vacuum it up, but don't do it. Sharp glass shards can puncture vacuum bags, rip hoses, and scratch internal parts. Even worse, tiny pieces can stay trapped inside and shoot back out later. Seriously dangerous. Instead, sweep up the big pieces first, then press a damp paper towel or even a slice of bread onto the floor to pick up the tiny slivers safely. Number 2. Fireplace ash. Ash might look harmless, but it's one of the worst things for a regular vacuum. Fine ash particles clog filters, damage motors, and sometimes hide hot embers that can ignite inside your vacuum. Always let ashes cool completely, then use a metal dustpan or an ash-specific vacuum designed for high heat and fine particles. Number 3. Baking soda and fine powders. Baking soda, flour, baby powder, they're all vacuum killers. These particles are so fine they slip through filters, reduce suction, and cause overheating. Your best move? Sweep gently or wipe them up with a slightly damp cloth. If this happens often, consider a vacuum with a HEPA filter, but even then, caution is key. Number 4. Sticky or wet messes. Glue, honey, spilled sauce, or any kind of liquid should never meet a regular vacuum. They gum up hoses, coat brush rollers, and leave moisture behind, which leads to mold, odors, and even electrical hazards. Blot the spill first, mop the area clean, or use a wet-dry vacuum only if it's designed for liquids. Number 5. Rice, dry or cooked. This one surprises a lot of people. Dry rice can clog hoses and filters, while cooked rice holds moisture that strains the motor and can permanently damage the vacuum. The solution is simple. Sweep it up or pick it up by hand. Number 6. Makeup powders and cosmetics. Eyeshadow, blush, foundation powders. They're trouble. Fine powders clog filters, and waxy or pigmented products can melt inside the vacuum, leaving stains and residue you'll never fully remove. Use a dustpan for the bulk, then wipe the area clean gently. Number 7. Coins, metal pieces, and small objects. Loose change, screws, paper clips, or tiny toys might seem harmless, but they're not. These items can damage brush rollers, scratch the motor, or even cause sparks if they hit electrical components. Always do a quick scan of the floor before vacuuming. It can save you an expensive repair. Number 8. Soil, plant debris, and construction dust. Potting soil, sawdust, drywall dust, renovation debris, all bad news for standard vacuums. They clog filters, burn out motors, and release fine particles back into your air. For these messes, sweep first or use a shop or construction vacuum built for heavy debris. Number 9. Large hair clumps. Everyday hair? Totally fine. But big clumps from haircuts or pet grooming can wrap tightly around brush rollers, killing suction and overworking the motor. Pick up the bulk by hand or with a broom first, and clean your brush roller regularly to keep your vacuum running strong. Final wrap-up. Modern vacuums are amazing tools, but they work best when used for what they're designed for: dry, non-sticky, non-sharp debris. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll extend the life of your vacuum, protect your home, and save yourself money in the long run.